Hello my friends, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. Today, as I told you in group, soon we will start price action based signal strategies, how we trade using price action. So this is video related price action. Today we'll discuss flag pattern, how we trade and how we analyze the flag pattern, how you find this. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna show you a trick. Add moving average period 2 and done. Look here, this moving average will help you to check out the high and market low points. Okay, and it will also help you to draw support and resistance levels. Okay, look here, that moving average showing a touch point. Okay, look here, also moving average showing here a touch point. So with this moving average, easily you will mark the support and resistance areas and many more things. Okay, cause this moving average show by his move waves of market, high, low, up, down. Okay, so let's start the first price action, flag pattern. Let me find the flag pattern. Okay, look this one. Wow, very awesome. Let me draw this. Maybe I will not draw perfectly here, but let me show you how things work. And look this, that how market moves up and up after this pattern. So this is power of price action. Let me find one more. And look here, one more, a big flag. Look here, you have to touch by trend line 3 or 4 points. Okay, and draw your flag pattern and look. Very awesome. And look this one. This is an awesome flag pattern. We have to enter in market from this leg. Okay, from this level. Once we enter our trade here, we have to set our SL previous high. Okay, look this previous high. Put your SL here, your trade be here and profit here. How we calculate how much pips we will make? So the length of first leg, this one, the length of first leg, count here to here these pips. Okay, and same measurement of the second candle draw on your chart and set at least in middle point here, at least in middle point your take profit. Okay, look here, the measurement of two legs, one this and one this. And look this one. Let me find one more. Many times market draw more and more, but we have to find good and major. Look this one also. How far this? And look market go in uptrend. Look this one. This is power of flag patterns. Let me show you one more. Look this one. Okay, this is very awesome. Look the size of this leg. Okay, and let me put there and show you the same move. Okay, and same size. Look this same size move, and look this start first and that second leg, first and second have same move. So before draw this, you have to measure. Look first leg measurement and draw the second leg and set your take profit and stop loss. Look here. Okay, so this is power of price action. Let me show you one more. Market draw more and more things. If you have knowledge, you will make more and more pips, but you have to find accurate things. And look also this one. I will highlight this one. Okay, and look this one. Very cool and awesome. Look, and the market move there. So this is the thing, flag pattern. I hope all guys understand what I mean to say, and you will make more and more pips. So first of all, you have to switch your demo and learn more things. Look also this one pattern, very awesome pattern, but we'll discuss only flag patterns today. I hope all guys understand very well, and if still have any question, feel free ask me and I will help you.